we learn about abstract data types. Abstract data type is a mathematical model or a concept that defines a data type logically. The definition of an abstract data type specifies a set of data and a set of operations that can be performed on that data. The definition only specifies what operations are to be performed on the data. It does not mention anything about how these operations will be implemented. So basically it does not specify how the data will be organized in memory and what algorithms will be used for implementing the operations. The dictionary meaning of abstract is existing as an idea but not having a physical existence. So this abstract data type is only a concept or a theoretical model that gives us an implementation independent view of a data type. Now let's see specifications of some abstract data types. This is the definition of list abstract data type. This is the definition of stack abstract data type. And this is the definition of queue abstract data type. We can see that these definitions only specify the operations that have to be performed. They don't mention how these abstract data types will be represented and how the operations will be carried out. An abstract data type is just a theoretical concept and there can be different ways to implement it. For example, the list abstract data type can be implemented using arrays or single linked list or double linked list. Similarly, this stack abstract data type or queue abstract data type can also be implemented using either arrays or linked lists. The different implementations of an abstract data type are compared based on time and space, and the implementation that best suits the requirement of the user is used. For example, if a user wants to use a list in a program which involves lots of insertions and deletions from the list, then it is better to use the linked list implementation of list, because insertion and deletion in arrays require lot of movement of data. Data structure is the physical implementation of abstract data type. Abstract data type is the logical view of data and the operations to manipulate the data, while data structure is the actual representation of data and the algorithms. Abstract data type is a logical description, while data structure is concrete. So an abstract data type tells us what is to be done and data structure tells us how to do it. We can say that abstract data type is a specification language for data structures. A program that uses a data structure is generally called a client, and the specification of abstract data type is called interface. And this interface is the only thing that is visible to the clients who use data structures. The clients have no knowledge of how the data is represented and how operations are implemented. For example, when we use int data type, we only need to know the values that it can take and operations that can be performed on it. We don't need to know how it is implemented. Similarly, if someone wants to use a stack, he can simply use push and pop operations without any knowledge of how they are implemented. The representation or algorithms that implement the stack can be changed, but the client code will not be affected as long as the interface remains the same. For example, if the implementation of stack is changed from array to linked list, the client program will work in the same way and it need not be changed. So this abstraction helps the user of a data structure focus on his program rather than going into the details of the data structure.